Hello, Namaskar, and welcome. So, now coming on to the next tool, that is Lex GPT. Lex GPT. So, what Lex GPT is, let me share my presentation. What Lex GPT is, Lex GPT is a tool through which you can decode judgments from any law, be it income tax, be it GST, be it Constitution of India, be it Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, be it Indian Penal Code, be it Civil Procedure Code, be it Criminal Procedure Code, any kind of law, any judgment will be decoded in minutes by this tool called Lex GPT. So what Lex GPT is, basically professional face the problem to decode or read lengthy judgments or order provided by courts or tribunals. So this tool can help decode that lengthy judgments in a summarized PDF format. So I am going to show you demo that how this tool works and what additional features we have incorporated in this tool, that this tool can now provide you with the case laws. Like if you want to search a case law on a specific matter, we are developing a repository of that thing, and according to that you can search case laws regarding various laws. I will be showing that. And you can also do a comparative analysis of two case laws. Like you want to do comparative analysis of two case laws, that thing you can also do. You can prepare audio summaries of the case law. So let's straight away jump to the tool. So I am opening the tool now. Yes. So the link for that tool is lexgpt.co.in. So I am again pasting it. So this is lexgpt.co.in. So this is LexGPT 2.0 Professional Legal Judgment Analysis Tool. This is again a tool that has been developed by Bisgyan AI team. So I am going to show you how this tool works. Just I need to log in here. Firstly, if you are a new user, you can create your account like any other platform. And after you create your account, you just need to sign in. I am signing in according to my account. So once I have signed in, see, there are three functionalities active in Lex GPT 2.0. First is analysis. So if you want to analyze any PDF judgment, just need to upload here and it will provide a complete judgment analysis with the complete citation, with the complete respondent and appellant, issues framed, what was the legal judgment, what was the legal issues settled, what were the respondent and appellant things. So every kind of response it will provide you. I am just showing you. So here you need to upload the PDF. I have already analyzed so many cases. So once you analyze the case, it is already stored in the analysis history. Like see, I have done the analysis of so many cases already. So it is being stored in the analysis history. So I will come on to that once I will show you in the real time that how it performs. Just I need to click drop your PDF here. I will click here and see here. I will go to my folder where my files are here. Suppose I need to analyze this case law, that is Safari Retreat judgment. If I have this, yes, Safari Retreat, that is landmark judgment by Supreme Court in respect of input tax credit regarding plant or machinery is GST judgment, Supreme Court judgment. So see, it has started analyzing. It has extracted text from the PDF, analyzing legal content, identify key arguments, and see, it will generate a detailed report. It hardly takes 60 seconds, just 1 minute, and I will show you the file also that I have provided. So this is the file I have provided. See, this is the 91 page file of Safari Retreat Private Limited versus Chief Commissioner of CGST in Supreme Court of India. So this is a complete 91 page judgment. If I need to read it, it will take so much time. So what this tool will do, just I have provided with the PDF and it is generating the report. The main feature is the judgment or order can be of any law, be it income tax, be it GST, I have already mentioned, be it customs, any law, any judgment, it will decode for you. Just wait, it is decoding. See, it has provided me a complete analysis report for this judgment. Case name: Chief Commissioner of CGST versus Safari Retreat. The citation: date of judgment, presiding judges, court, Supreme Court of India. What are the issues framed in the judgment? See, what are the issues framed in the judgment? It is showing me whether the restrictive definition of plant and machinery provided in explanation to section 17 of CGST 2017, which excludes building and civil structure, is applicable to expression plant or machinery uses section 15 subsection 5 clause D of said act. So it has shown me the issues framed in the first section. What good thing is that another section it is showing me argument presented by both appellant argument and respondent argument. When we read a plain judgment, we cannot have this analysis, but this tool is showing me that what were the arguments presented by appellant, what are the arguments presented by respondent, and that too in a complete tabular format. 6-point address has formulated. After this, you will show it is showing me the decision and judicial pronouncement. Here it is showing me the decision and judicial pronouncement. After that, you can see legal issues settled. It is showing me what legal issues this judgment settled. What are the key takeaways and legal principles? What is the practical applicability of this judgment? What is the notable judicial observations? This thing we miss generally reading, but it has shown me the 4 judicial observations that it can be found in the judgment. What are the other cases it has been referred? While framing this judgment, what were the other cases that were referred? It is showing me the case name with the citation and relevance. Then the evaluation of the judgment. See, if I have to read this 91-page judgment, it would have taken me weeks, and then also I could not have find a summarized analysis. But it has also provided me a summarized analysis, and I can generally download it in the PDF format and read it on the go. See, the PDF of that report is generated. This is the PDF file that is generated that you can forward in your groups. You can read on mobile phone or taking a printout. And what more you can do is that you can generate an audio summary of this judgment. Like if I generate in English, suppose we generate in Hindi first. So it is generating an audio summary. It will just
नमस्ते,
see.
चलिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट के इस महत्वपूर्ण फैसले सफारी रिट्रीट्स केस 2024 को आसान भाषा में समझते हैं। मुख्य मुद्दा: क्या शॉपिंग मॉल या गोदाम जैसी व्यावसायिक इमारतें बनाने पर चुकाए गए जीएसटी का क्रेडिट आईटीसी मिल सकता है? कानून की धारा 17(5)(d) आमतौर पर अचल संपत्ति के निर्माण पर आईटीसी को रोकती है। अदालत का फैसला: सुप्रीम कोर्ट।
This is the audio summary generated in just 1 minute in Hindi. If I want to generate in English, it will also generate in English.
In the landmark case of Chief Commissioner of Central GST versus M.S. Safari Retreats, the Supreme Court of India delivered a
The language.
In the landmark case of Chief Commissioner of Central GST v.M.S. Safari Retreats, the Supreme Court of India delivered a massive win for the real estate sector regarding input tax credit, ITC.
So see, the audio summary can also be generated of the case law provided. Only I have provided PDF. Rest thing software has been doing. So if I want to ask from AI any other thing about this judgment, like I want to ask, can you provide me a 1-para summary? So now it is working. So it has provided me a 1-para summary only of the judgment. So if any other thing I want to ask, I can use this AI assistant and ask about that judgment only. So this was the first functionality, that is analysis. Second thing I am showing is compare. I will come to case finder after that. Second thing is compare. If you want to compare 2 judgments at one go, it can do that thing also. So I have taken into account 2-3 examples here. So I will do, suppose for this case law, just I have uploaded the 2 case laws, like 2 case laws of Visakha versus others versus state of Rajasthan and Justice KK Puttaswamy versus Union of India. So it is showing me what is the stronger precedent, that is judgment B. These are the judgments of Constitution of India regarding Article 21, like right to life and right to personal liberty. So this is the article 21 judgment. It is showing me that judgment B better fits into this scope. So if I want to compare two judgments, I can use this feature, upload the PDF of both the files and judgment A, judgment B. So I've already updated in the back end to show you. So these two cases, common legal issues, what are the similarities, what are the key differences, distinguishing factors, recommendations. Similarly, I have also taken for this income tax. So it is showing me a judgment regarding section 68. Yes. So it, through this feature we can compare two judgments and also download PDF. See, this PDF has been generated for comparative analysis for two case laws. So for any kind of case law you can do this. So this was the compare feature. Second thing is case finder that many of you members are curious about. So what case finder can do, it can help you search legal judgments that are available on the web and in our repository. So this is a beta feature we have been working on for a while, and we have made it live now because certain kind of repository has been developed, and now we have been adding more and more case laws in this repository, and we can generally generate different kind of case laws regarding different matters, and we can search from the web that they are available. Suppose I have selected few case laws. Suppose I selected this section 68 regarding Income Tax Act 1961, unexplained credits. So I will enter AI generated keywords. So it will generate these keywords. So what it will do, I need to select the court level, that what kind of judgment I want to do. I will select all courts, whether I want to do favorable or unfavorable. I will select both. So I will select on search judgment. So what it will do, what kind of judgments are available regarding section 68 regarding unexplained cash credits, identify credit worthiness, genuine transaction, share capital additions, that kind of case laws it will find for me. And moreover, we can here select the court and the judgment. What more thing we can do, we are working upon that, that you can use the court level here. You can just select the court for which you want judgment, year you want the judgment, judge or bench name if you want, or like party name. So that you can use in the advanced filter, but for the general terms you can use this functionality. Here you need to select the law for which you want to find the judgment, section, issues, and then the court level, judgment level. So see, it has found it three judgments for me. And what it can do now, so it is showing it is unfavorable, it is unfavorable, and it is unknown, and it is from verified source. Suppose now I want to read whether this judgment exists or not. First question that AI generally mistakes, in recent time what it did, there was a fake mention of a case Mercy versus Mankind in Supreme Court. That case law never existed, but like I yesterday told, that AI hallucinates and sometimes give wrong case laws that even has not been given by Supreme Court or High Courts. A fake case law it provides. But to check the genuineness of this case law, what we have done, we have given this feature, view full judgment. Whenever you click on this, it generally takes you to the Indian Kanun website directly. So here it is showing me the complete analysis. Here I will download it and use the analysis feature now to understand the judgment better, whether it is related to my case law or not. So certain issues were there in while finding case law. So we are generating this tool. I am not saying it is 100% perfect, but up to extent of 70 to 80% is working. And if a judgment regarding a certain matter does not exist, it will show that no judgment exists. Suppose I select here for High Court. So if a judgment do not exist, it will show me that a judgment does not exist for this matter. It will not show me hallucinated results. Just wait. So now see, now it is showing me only two judgments regarding Kolkata and Ranchi. If I want to read a judgment right here only, so I will click on the download PDF summary and see. PDF is generated and I can read the summary of the judgment from here only. One more thing, like I want to suppose this one, I selected a judgment for this. if it finds this one or not. Let's check. So see, it shows me no judgment found, because till now we have not incorporated that kind of in a repository. So I am again saying this is a beta feature. You can say we are building a repository and we are daily updating the judgments here, and the web is updated. So just it is increasing, repository is increasing, and judgment are able to be find it when you enter a statute section and a keyword. So here what I was showing, that you can download. Here I will again AI generate keyword, search judgment. So what good thing it is doing, that it is at least not mentioning the cases that even do not exist, and the cases it is mentioning, it is giving me the source. So I can go directly to the source and read that judgment. I can download it, get in PDF, and do the analysis work from the Lex GPT. So see, this 38-page judgment has been downloaded. Now I can give it to the analysis section and do the research whether it fits into my case or not. So one more thing I want to show, that as a PDF you can completely download it also to save it for further use. See, you can download it for further use also, and it is also showing a brief summary of this. Yes. So once again, coming back to analysis section, this I think I've already shown you new analysis. So see, here we have placed analysis history button. So every case flow you decode, it is saved in the backend. Like this one I decoded, it is saved here in the backend. I want to read it again, I can click on the matter and again read that case flow. So this is the analysis feature. Analysis feature and compare feature are ready to go 100%. Case finder is working 70 to 80% correct. But good point is that it do not gives me hallucinated judgment. It is finding only that judgments, that too with the source that is available on the web. So this was all about Lex GPT 2.0. So I sign out. And the beautiful part is that a subscription of only 2500 per year is there. Like 2500 per year, and you can do unlimited judgment analysis. So this was Lex GPT 2.0, a legal tool for legal and tax professionals to decode their legal work. Yes, some questions are there. It is so nice to make use of the tool and professional work. I presume I need to buy the tool to make it. Sir, for this projects AI, one report is free, and for Lex GPT you need to buy. Use for free, great. Sir, Lex GPT is priced at 2500. Will you also help me develop by me similar one kind tool you said yesterday about AI tools? Yes, we will work on that. Does the search from web or repository? Sir, both. From the both it search. It also search from the repository we are creating, and on the web the judgments that are available. The purpose of AI generated keywords is that it makes a web analysis based upon that words, because Google works on SEO. Like whenever you search something on Google, section 68 IT Act case laws, so it search on these words, like what words I am writing, it search on these words. So AI keywords does that thing, that it breaks down my context into few words and then it shows me. Previous analysis we have shown. So this was Lex GPT. How did you like the tool or not? How was it? I am again pasting the link. So this is a beautiful tool for professionals. We are continuously improving in it, and already so many subscriptions have been sold for this. So if you want and you work in this domain, you can definitely consider using this Lex GPT. So this was our second tool for today. Now someone asking about building some kind of AI avatars or AI tools or some kind of websites. So now we are moving to the generative segment. So I just need to go to this tool, Lex GPT. Once you go to this tool, lexgpt.co.in, there is this button, subscribe now. Once you go here, sign up, and after this you will get the payment link. You just need to make the payment link, and once the payment is made, we will activate it from backend within 1 hour. Once you make the subscription payment, it will get activated hardly in half hour. So you go to just lexgpt.co.in. From there you can subscribe. Thank you, Venkatraman sir.